not, well, it is now, but not even a good evening, because last night there were some people living up there and starting talking very, very loud. Grown-up people, grown-up men. And and now also this morning they were talking out really, really loud, so they actually woke me up. And just as I was about to go out and tell them, there was a lady here who told them that, and I saw a lot of bottles here, so I think they were drinking just in the morning. But now it's good. So this morning I got 2 orders. Look what also came. My laundry. And today I'm off with my scooter again, and it's a beautiful day, so I'm starting with the fountain temple, Pura Empul, Pira Empul. Yeah, here it is. Start to believe that I'm a little bit naive, because I thought that this was also going to be like more natural, but it's very, very organized and very, very touristic. But I'm here, so let's do it. So it's like a kind of whole garden kind of thingy. Holy Spring Temple, yeah, that's where I want to be. So it was time for sarong again. I should maybe make it a little bit longer. So I got some help, and there are some lockers here, so I can put my backpack away and get into the water. And I think this is what it's all about. I had to go through all of the fountains as a ritual. It's not a queue here, so I'll go in. Here is me before my cleansing, and now I can start with the cleansing. Oh, it's cold. Oh, it's very cold. Okay, but just be calm, and this will be okay. So I'm here at Tirta Empul temple, and this is the holy spring here. Yeah, you weren't allowed to be with me, but now I have been cleansed in the holy spring water of all the fountains, and I'll tell you a little bit about it. So this is a temple dedicated to the god of Vishnu, and that's the god of water. And yeah, it's a cleaning process that you do, and you have to do kind of all of the fountains. I will tell you which ones you won't do. And I did a terrible thing. I took my GoPro into the water, and it's not allowed to do that. It's allowed to have it like here, but not in the water. So here we have it all. This is the first spring, and this is water coming from the mountains. So you start here from the left, but you're not allowed to use the first one, and also not the 11th and 12th. You hold your hands and hold the water, and then you sort of put it into your face, and then you dip your head into the water. So you do all of them, but not number 11 and 12. And you can see on the top here that they look a little bit different, and they are for death. So that is why you don't do it. You do number 13, but you don't do number 11 and 12, because they're regarding to death and stuff. And after that, you have a thing here, so you can walk like that, over to this side, and then you continue doing the same thing here. Those two, and then you walk over here, and then you do this one, but only this one. You don't do the rest of them, and I don't know why you don't do the rest of them. But after that, your cleaning process is done. And then after that, you can sit down and reflect and be happy. Look at this. Look at the sign. But this is also, I think, the sign of Vishnu, the god. So it's not a horrible sign here. And you also have the sarong on you the whole time for this. You can rent one here if you want to, or if you have your own. But there's a special one you have to rent. And there are also lockers here, so you can put all your belongings into a locker. So there was this woman, the firstborn. He took a lot of pictures, and it looked actually like very, very nice pictures. So I paid him 100,000 for all the pictures, and he's gonna send them on WhatsApp later on. They also have a temple. Well, it is a whole temple, but they have like 3 different parts, I think. My sarong is still wet, so I'm not gonna go enter the temple right now. But oh, this is also maybe there's another part of the temple, and they're doing a ceremony here. So they also have a holy pond here. Pond is the name of Dam. And the white and the yellow is for Vishnu, I think. And sometimes they have like umbrellas, and they have also red and another color, and that stands for the other gods. Vishnu, Garuda, and Braha, I think. Brahma. I'm not good at that. Oh, here we have black and red. So I think that's the other colors of the umbrellas. On here, just walking around. On the other side here is the These are happy children. Look at their faces. Oh, this is a dairy one. Breastfeeding. And here we have someone with a very long tongue. He looks a little bit scared, holding his hand like that, and somebody scared him. Ah! Oh, another pond, but my goodness. Here we have... Oh my goodness. So I'm done. I didn't read what I was supposed to read about the cleaning process because I've done it a little bit wrong. You're supposed to make an offering and pray for, I don't know, cleanness or something like that. And then during the ritual, you're supposed to, first of all, hold your hands up to the head, thank the gods. Then you put water into your head, into your hands, and then you splash your face, cleanse your face, and then after that you go under the water with your head. And then it was something like, then you have to sort of take a sip from the water, and spit it out 3 times. And then after that you have to sip the water and swallow it. I don't think everybody does this, so I think everybody has like their own system. Even the Balinese don't do all this, because I didn't see anyone spitting, and so maybe my way worked as well. Oh, look at this really big, what is it? It's big fruit, like a big green apple, but it's not apple. Can I touch it? Jesus. Oh, thank you, Peter Empul. I feel some water coming down from the sky, not too much. So now I'm gonna see where I'm going next. Okay, so apparently you can't go out there. You have to go here. Oh, that's because you have to go through all the shops here. That's why. You have to be firm. She was trying to sell me a banana. It's very beautiful though, bananas on the head. But I'm saying tidak, terima kasih. That means no, thank you. And I have to repeat it, and then I have to be like sort of tidak, and then they understand. So this is yeah, you have to go through this. So this is the thing that I would like to, you know, stop and look at some things, but because they are so like pushy, then I don't want to stop, because I feel like I don't have any space. So that is a problem. Also for them, because I want to stay and see, but I feel like pushed. So then I don't stop at anything. I just keep on walking. It's a little bit calmer here, but still you don't feel like stopping. Parking lot. It might be over here. So you couldn't go out the same way as you entered. So you had to go like a detour, and all of this area here is full of merchandise. And okay, so now I will... Oh, I think it's over there. There's a lot of motorbikes there. But so confusing, and that you can't really walk the way you want to walk. I don't know if you saw that, but these motorbikes are quite really nice. But I don't... They will break in my luggage, and I don't have place for them. Yeah, it's there. Choo-hoo! Thank you! So yeah, I've decided where to go. Kantolampu waterfalls. 13 kilometers from here. Good. And I've heard about this, so it's on my list somewhere, and it's on my map somewhere. I sort of pinned a lot of places I want to go to on Google Maps, my maps, but I can't find it on my phone. But it'll be all right. Time for Kantolampu waterfall.